of classification of IPRs. So what is the basic classification of IPRs? As per general definition, the intellectual property right is a general term which covers patents, copyrights, trademarks, industrial designs and geographical indications. But as per the standard classification of IPR provided by TRIPS agreement, it includes patents, copyright and related rights, trademarks, geographical indications, industrial designs, layout designs of integrated circuits, protection of undisclosed information, and plant varieties. So these 8 categories are included in IPRs. Let's briefly discuss these 8. So the first is patent. So what is a patent? A patent is a legal document which is granted to its holder. So this is the exclusive right which is given to inventor to control the use of his invention. For example, patent can be given to some battery which stores solar energy, and also patent can be given to some vaccine to protect against some disease such as malaria. So another category is copyright. A copyright refers to original expression and works of authorship. It means it is given to the person who creates a copyrighted work. It means the copyright works may be some painting, photograph, music, dance, poem or novel. Third category is trademarks. A trademark allows its owner to confirm the origin of his goods to the public. So example of trademarks include the distinctive names of products such as Coca-Cola as a logo or Maruti Suzuki as a symbol. Another is geographical indications. The geographical indications are typically used for agriculture products, foodstuffs, wine, spirit drinks, handicrafts and industrial products which are the authentic flavor due to that geographical area. For example, Indian basmati rice, Florida oranges, Swiss watches and also Darjeeling tea. So these are the few examples of geographical indications. So next is industrial design. The industrial design protection allows its owner for ornamental shapes and designs. So for example, new shape of a car or new shape of a soft drink bottle. So these are the examples of industrial designs. Now next is layout design of integrated circuit. As you know, a layout design of an integrated circuit basically refers to three-dimensional structure in which elements are fabricated. So that unit as a whole functions as a unit. Example of such devices are i7 processor of a computer. Next is protection of undisclosed information, which is also called as trade secrets. So these are given to protect the formula or codes or the process of a business body. So why they are given? Because the undisclosed information and knowledge is protected because it provides a company its commercial advantage. The very popular example is formula of a Coca-Cola soft drink. And last is plant varieties. It is a form of intellectual property right which is granted to the breeder of a new plant variety. So it protects authorization of the breed against the exploitation. So I hope you have now thorough understanding of this topic of classification of IPRs.